Yes, good morning and Jai Hind dear students. Welcoming all of you here in our geography class. So in our previous classes, we have discussed the first chapter, and as I have told you that in the next class I will discuss the topic of cancer with reference to India, and then we will discuss the standard time zone of India. In our last class also we had discussed the neighbor countries of India. So let's start finding that all neighbor countries in the map of India first, and today all that things we will discuss with the help of this map, so that we can clear all the topics properly. So today we will discuss three things. This will be the map discussion. Neighbor countries of India we will discuss, then we will discuss topic of cancer with reference to India, and then standard time meridian zone, standard time meridian of India, you can say that is standard time zone of India. Look, how many countries we have discussed that are neighbor countries of India? There are total 9 neighbor countries of India. As you can see, Pakistan is here, okay, in the northwest. Afghanistan is here, and this is the small boundary of Afghanistan. Afghanistan shares a very small boundary with India, only this much, okay. Here this is the boundary of Afghanistan. After that, in north direction there is China, northeast Nepal, Bhutan. Then completely in east direction there is Myanmar. This is completely Myanmar, this portion, and this is Bangladesh. So as I was telling you, the Bangladesh shares the longest boundary with India. This is all the boundary of Bangladesh with India, okay. You can see this properly now, and now you are able to find that how long it is, okay, and how small this is. So Afghanistan is the country which shares the very small land boundary with India, and Bangladesh is the country which shares the largest boundary with the longest boundary with India. So this was first, second, third China, fourth Nepal, fifth Bhutan, sixth Myanmar, seventh Bangladesh, and then eighth here in the southeast direction of India there is Sri Lanka. As I was telling you, this is an island because it is covered by water from all four directions, and this narrow state of water, okay, this is known as Park Strait. This is Park Strait, okay. A narrow piece of water which separates two land boundaries and you can say connect two water bodies called strait, okay. So this strait is known as Park Strait, which separate India from Sri Lanka and which connect the Bay of Bengal to the Indian Ocean, okay, to Bay of Bengal to the rest part of the Indian Ocean. And here in the west direction, southwest direction, this is Lakshadweep. The group of these small islands is known as Lakshadweep Island, and in the south of this Lakshadweep Island here something here, Maldives, okay. Maldives is here, okay. This is Andaman Nicobar Island. It is also ruled by India, okay. India ruled over here. And then these are the 9 neighbor countries of India. These 7 are here present, which shares land boundary with India, and 2 islands are here. One is Sri Lanka and second one is Maldives. Sri Lanka separated by India by a strait that is known as Park Strait. So these are the neighbor countries of India. And now we are going to discuss the Tropic of Cancer with reference to India. So as we have discussed in our first class, 23.5 degree northern latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. Again, 23.5 degree northern latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. Yes, the longest boundary. And we have discussed that this Tropic of Cancer divides India into approximately, or you can say exactly, into 2 equal parts. Look, now this we have discussed with the help of the map. I hope you are able to find it. And now Tropic of Cancer. Look, this is 22 degree, okay, and this is 24 degree. So between this 22 and 24, here is 23.5 degree. Look, this line is the Tropic of Cancer. As you can see, this is dividing India into 2 equal parts. Look, 23.5 degree. This is known as Tropic of Cancer. Okay, sorry, Tropic of Cancer. Look, this is Tropic of Cancer. Let me write it here. 23.5 degree northern latitude. This is known as Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into approximately 2 equal parts. Give me a second, 1 second. Okay, so this is Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree northern latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into exactly 2 equal parts. And now let's find out that how many states are there from which this line is passing through. Look, let's find out. This is Gujarat. I am writing here only G here. This is Gujarat, and a small part of Rajasthan is also here. So we can say that Tropic of Cancer passes through Rajasthan also. This is MP, Madhya Pradesh. After that, this is Odisha. So let me write here O, Odisha. This is Jharkhand, JH. This is Paschim Bengal, so WB, West Bengal. And after that, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 states are here. And then this is Tripura, and this is Mizoram. Okay, so overall from 8 states of India, this Tropic of Cancer passes through. Okay, and this Jharkhand is important because there is Ranchi, as you can see, the capital of Jharkhand, from which this line is passing through. Okay, and all the rest states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay, so this is the Tropic of Cancer with reference to India. I hope now you are all clear with this, that how many states are there. There are total 8 states from which this line of Cancer, Tropic of Cancer is passing. And after that, this last portion which we have to discuss, that is standard time meridian. So what is this standard time meridian? So about longitude, we had already discussed that all the countries have their own latitude. They mark them as their standard time zone. Okay, standard time meridian, you can say, they mark them. So look what they are. किसी भी कंट्री में टाइम को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, एग्जैक्टली टाइम में चेंजिंग ना हो, इसके लिए अप्रॉक्सीमेटली उस कंट्री के मिडिल में, ओके, उस कंट्री के मिडिल में टाइम जोन मान लिया जाता है. लाइक इन इंडिया 82.5 डिग्री, लाइक हियर दिस 82.5 डिग्री ईस्टर्न लॉन्गिट्यूड. This is 82.5 degree eastern longitude. It is measured, it is known as the standard time zone of India, standard time meridian, you can say. Okay, and this is passes through the Allahabad, you can say Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, with the help of this longitude in India, टाइम इज़ मेजर्ड. इंडिया में टाइम को मेज़र करने के लिए हम इस लॉन्गिट्यूड का यूज़ करते हैं. इस टाइम लॉन्गिट्यूड का यूज़ करते हैं, इसका क्या मतलब है? दैट इन द मिड डे एट एग्जैक्टली 12 o'clock द सन इज अबव दिस लॉन्गिट्यूड. ओके, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस लॉन्गिट्यूड वी मेजर इन द मिड डे, दैट विल बी 12 o'clock. वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, दैट फ्रॉम गुजरात टू अरुणाचल प्रदेश, ओके, देर इज 2 hour टाइम लैग. 2 hour टाइम लैग मीन्स व्हाट, कि सपोज दैट अगर सन रेज, ओके, सनराइज यहाँ पे 5 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग में होता है, तो यहाँ पे वो 7 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग में दिखाई देगा. टाइम सेम होगा दोनों जगह, यहाँ पे 5 o'clock, सो यहाँ पे भी 5 o'clock होगा, बट सनराइज यहाँ पे 5 o'clock पे ही दिखाई दे जाएगा और यहाँ पे वही सनराइज 7 o'clock पे दिखाई देगा. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. वाई दिस इज डिफरेंस? बिकॉज फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट देर इज 30 degree डिफरेंस, okay, in longitude. So that's why this is the time lag from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. There is 2 hour time lag. As you already know that 15 degree longitude means 1 hour. So this is approximately 30 degree. So there will be 2 hour time lag, and this is known as the standard time zone of India, that is 82.5 degree eastern longitude, which passes through the Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh. So this was important, these 3 points was important in this chapter, which we have to discuss with the help of the map. And now after that, few points are there which I want to discuss with you. That points are very important, and that will help you each and everywhere in this class and in future also, and you guys just try to do all that things with me at your home. Look, now I'm going to discuss the map, Indian map with you. बट ये इंडियन मैप हम डिस्कस तो कर लेंगे आपके साथ, बट आप उसे भूल भी जाओगे. सो हाउ कैन यू लर्न इट? फॉर लर्निंग दिस यू जस्ट परचेज द आउटलाइन ऑफ इंडिया. आउटलाइन ऑफ इंडिया मीन्स व्हाट? आपको इंडिया का एक ब्लैंक मैप मिल जाएगा. पॉलिटिकल मैप आप परचेज करेंगे. पॉलिटिकल मैप मीन्स व्हाट? विच शोज द स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया ऑल्सो, ओके, एंड कंट्रीज. सो यू जस्ट परचेज द आउटलाइन ऑफ इंडिया, and whatever I am doing, you just try to fill it. As you can see, this is Ladakh, okay, and this is Jammu Kashmir. So you just try to fill this Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir in that blank outline, okay. आपको जो blank map मिलेगा आप उसमें लद्दाख मैप मेंशन करिए, जम्मू कश्मीर मेंशन करिए. आफ्टर दैट दिस इज हिमाचल प्रदेश, दिस इज पंजाब, राजस्थान, हरियाणा, उत्तराखंड, एंड दिस इज उत्तर प्रदेश. आफ्टर दैट दिस इज गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, बिहार, झारखंड, पश्चिम बंगाल, महाराष्ट्र, ओडिशा, तेलंगाना, दिस इज कंप्लीटली आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, केरला, तमिलनाडु, दिस इज गोवा, ओके. एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. दिस इज ऑल्सो सिक्किम विच इज पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. This lie in the northeast, so that this is known as northeastern part of India, okay. And there are total 7 states, and these 7 states are known as 7 sisters, okay. Northeastern states, 7 sisters, okay. This part is known as this part of India is known as. And look what these states are. These are Arunachal Pradesh, okay, completely in the east direction. After that there is Assam, then Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, okay. So Arunachal 1, Assam 2, Nagaland 3, Manipur 4, Meghalaya 5, Tripura 6, and Mizoram 7. Total 7 states are here. That's why this portion of India is known as 7 sisters, okay, and northeastern portion of India. This is very, very important. And what you have to do, you have to learn all the states. You have to try to fill this in the map, and with this you have to write the capital of the state also. Like Jammu and Kashmir, before the capital of Jammu and Kashmir was Srinagar and Jammu, and then Himachal Pradesh, the capital of Himachal Pradesh will be Dehradun, Simla. After that this Punjab, Chandigarh, okay, Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab, same as Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Haryana and Punjab, both these states have the common, you can say common, what we are talking about, common capital, that is Chandigarh. After that Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and this is Gujarat. All these states have a capital, and we have to write all the capitals along with the name of the state. So there are total, now in these days, total 28 states are here in India, and total 9 union territories, okay. And you have to write all the name of the union territories, you have to write the name of the states, and try to find out in the map. You just try to fill the map, at least 3 or 4 map आप fill करो, आपको definitely ये सारे states learn हो जाएंगे, और उनके capitals भी आपको learn होने लगेंगे, especially this north eastern portion of India, okay. I hope आप आज की class आपको interesting लगी होगी, because with the help of this map we have understand the all these 3 topics like neighbors of India and tropic of Cancer and the standard time zone. I hope now this is all clear to you. Thank you and Jai Hind guys. And also I will send you the PDF of your exercise. You just see it and make a copy, okay, make a fair copy. I will check that also. Fine. Thank you and Jai Hind guys.